Jeannie, and this is the Wrapped in Dazzle on Pink Bat Mitzvah imitation from Cross & Craft. This contemporary Bat Mitzvah imitation is raised printed on a white shimmer die-cut card that is layered onto a pink glitter wrap, which is die-cut into the same but larger shape. This imitation measures 5 1/8 inches wide by 7 1/4 inches high. The coordinating reception and response enclosures will print on white shimmer single cardstock, and the thank you notes will print on folder stock. This imitation comes with single, bright white pointed flap envelopes. We show it here with an optional return address on the back flap. You may purchase this invitation from invitationsforless.com. To prepare this invitation for final assembly, have your invitation card and the backer face up in front of you. Pick up your invitation card and then simply insert it through the 2 die cuts so that the belly band is nice and centered between your wording details. And then you're ready to move on to final assembly.